He needs no introduction. Mr. Bidley, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
And it's IFA 2024. It's so much here.
Yeah.
It's a very important year because you have 5 languages, coming together, bridging the gap, and putting out a very strong message. What do you have to say about that?
It's brilliant. Even 5 languages are there, but it's all together, and that even IFA has taken that step to make sure that everybody's coming together, and it's looked at as one industry rather than a fragmented industry.
Right. So if I had to ask you at, it's a second day, you were not here on the first day. You missed the excitement.
Yeah.
But on the second day, what is that one thing that you're absolutely looking forward to?
Well, I've been told Shah Rukh and Karan are hosting, so that should be exciting. And I believe lots of performances are there, so that should be exciting.
So Shah Rukh and Karan, you also know them, on a very personal level. What's their sense of humor and digs like?
They're very quick. They're very witty. So I'm a simple boy from Delhi, Punjab. So I have a problem keeping up with their wit.
All right, and also Rekha ji performing here. Is that also?
happening
Yeah,
tonight?
that's like a 22-minute long performance that's
I
happening.
look forward to that. I didn't know that. My wife is here, and we didn't know that. So if she's performing, that will be amazing as well. She's such a iconic actress as well.
Right.
Yeah.
And when it comes to PVR, it's sort of really changed the viewing experience. There's so many interesting new aspects that keep bringing in.
Yeah.
What's that new thing that you would like to excite the viewers with? What are the plans underway for if there's anything new?
I think, we're always reinventing ourselves, but post-COVID, what I've realized that it needs to be more and more experiential. So I think people should really feel as if they're part of the movie. So we've used concepts like ICE, which is immersive cinema experience. Then we've got a lot of IMAXs now. I think what they call premium large formats, where people say, "Yaar, ye to ghar pe nahi dekh sakte." So that's what we're trying to do. So when they come out and they say, "Wow, this is very, very different to watching it." So it starts from the F&B, how they're treated, the size of the screen, the seating comfort, projection, sound, everything we're working on to make sure that they really feel it's something special.
Right, and that's what PVR is for, to bring something new, innovative, and just there, to surprise all the viewers. Thank you for joining us today.
Thanks so much. Thank you.
ಜಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಬಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಲಭ್ಯ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಜಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಈಗ ಸನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ 292, ಟಾಟಾ ಪ್ಲೇ ನಂಬರ್ 1664, ಜಿಯೋ ಟಿವಿ ನಂಬರ್ 1334, ಎನ್ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟಿ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 30, ಇನ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 30, ಸಿಟಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 51, ಯು ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 162, ಜಿಟಿಪಿಎಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 17, ರಾಕ್ಲೈನ್ ಟೆಲಿಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 42, ಶ್ರೀ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ಕೇಬಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 168, ರೂರಲ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ 60, ವಿನಾಯಕ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ 57, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ 821, ಸಿಟಿ ಚಾನೆಲ್ 53, ಸಿದ್ದೇಶ್ವರ ಕೇಬಲ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ 57, ವಿ4 ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಇನ್ಫೋಟೆಕ್ 628, ಸೂರ್ಯ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 53, ಗಜಾನನ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 836, ಮಲ್ನಾಡ್ ಇನ್ಫೋಟೆಕ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 56, ಮೆಟ್ರೋಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 830, ವಿಕ್ಟರಿ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 167ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಆನಂದಿಸಿ.